Hi and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Thursday, the 23rd of January. The big move overnight has come on the back of the Chinese flash PMI data that was so disappointing and showed that China was back into contraction mode for its manufacturing in January, and also came in below expectations, and that has certainly hit risk overnight. And one of the beneficiaries of this has been a bounce in the gold price. The gold that we've been looking at recently has broken below that 1,234 dollars level. In very early hours of trading today, but actually that has now seen a bounce back in the that's on the hourly chart, and that came after that Chinese data. But I just think this is just another chance to sell this chart, because I think that this gold price is coming lower. The breakdown of that support at 1,234, I think is telling, and I think is a key move, and certainly to the downside near term. I think this is in light of this reaction rally that we're seeing, you've got momentum indicators all fairly in negative territory. MACD lines below that zero line, RSI still looking fairly weak, and I think that this is just this is just a chance to sell this gold price today, this rally that we're seeing on the back of this Chinese data. I think there's a nice band of resistance up towards the 1,243.44 level. I think that would be a decent area. I think that would be where the bounce would be contained, and I think would be where it would begin to fall over again. We've talked previously about this 200 hour moving average that had been the basis of support through the recovery since the beginning of January, and that now is now certainly turning down. All these moving averages are in negative direction, so that would suggest that with that also providing resistance, that 200-hour moving average, that I think any sort of rally now is a chance to sell this gold chart, which is what I think will be happening today. So I think further pressure will be seen, and ultimately probably back towards this 1218 level that we saw back on the 9th of January. I think that will be tested in due course. Anyway, thank you very much for listening today. Don't forget, as with all of our charts, please make sure that you've read the disclaimer, which is on the bottom of our morning report page on our website. And thank you very much for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.